In this video we will show you how to replace the cable of your Artschatz paper star lantern. First, swap the USB AC adapter. A normal phone charger, USB phone charger works as well, and see if the star lights up. Next we will swap the LED bulb to see if that is the problem. With one hand hold the LED bulb at the bottom, with the other hand hold the ceramic base and pull. Go ahead and test your star now. If it lights up, then you're all set. Otherwise, proceed with the next step. You will need a pair of scissors. Go ahead and cut the cable. Pull it out of the star and discard it, but make sure to keep the bulb as spare. The cable replacement kit comes in two parts. We will start with the rolled up cable, which includes the wooden cable guide and the base. Undo the cable ties and uncoil the cable. Now gently open the wing with the cable opening. Take the wooden cable guide and thread the cable from the inside towards the outside, as shown in the video. If you notice that the plug doesn't fit through the opening, you will have to widen the opening a little bit. Retract the cable guide a couple inches. Take your scissors and just take a little more off the tip. Not much, just a little bit. As soon as the plug is through the opening, you can pull on it to thread the cable through and discard the wooden cable guide. Thread the cable through till you see the round, clear cable stopper. Now check the distance guide to ensure the correct distance is set. The purpose of this is to ensure that the LED light hangs in the center of the star. If you discover later on that your star is not lit evenly, one of the reasons could be that the distance is set incorrectly. So you can check on that again. Now gently unfold your star wing by wing to close it. Now we are going to connect the cable with the switch and USB plug assembly. Plug the USB cable into the USB AC adapter. Plug the USB AC adapter into an outlet and you should be all set. Also, don't forget to install the provided S-hook for hanging. Loop the cable around the short end of the S-hook twice. You can then also adjust the position of it. We hope this video was helpful. Should you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for letting Artschatz brighten your life.